ScottishPower aimed to build a £150 million green hydrogen plant at the Port of Felixstowe to power trains, trucks and ships. The energy company has drawn up proposals for a 100-megawatt plant at the Suffolk port which will provide enough fuel to power 1,300 hydrogen trucks from 2026. The company, owned by €63 billion Spanish utilities giant Iberdrola, said demand for the green fuel had stepped up since petrol and diesel prices began to soar last year, emboldening the firm to invest. It has applied to the government's Net Zero Hydrogen Fund, which provides state backing to develop low-carbon hydrogen projects for the next 3 years. Vespine Energy, a company that converts methane gas released from landfills into power for Bitcoin mining, closed a $4.3 million funding round led by blockchain investment firm Polychain Capital and other climate-focused funds. The company installs efficient micro-turbines on municipal landfills, which convert otherwise wasted methane gas into electricity to power Bitcoin mining data centers. According to a UN report, methane is a harmful greenhouse gas with a 100-year global warming potential that is 28 times to 34 times greater than carbon dioxide. Shell has finalized its $1.55 billion acquisition of Indian renewable energy developer and operator Spring Energy. Significantly, the solar and wind power assets that Shell acquires through the deal will triple the oil and gas company's renewable energy capacity in operation. India announced new renewable energy goals last year to increase non-fossil power capacity to 500 gigawatts and meet 50% of the country's electricity needs through renewables by 2030. The UK faces higher energy prices for a decade until more renewable electricity generation brings costs back below the levels seen last year, experts have said. Energy prices are expected to peak as high as £5,000 for the average household next year before falling back. That is more than 4 times the level seen last year. Cornwall Insight, a consultancy firm, said that record-high energy prices, fueled by the war in Ukraine, had begun to spur investment in renewable energy, but it would take time before consumers feel the benefits. JSW Group, one of India's largest conglomerates, has announced plans to acquire Indian renewables company Mitra Energy for $1.32 billion. India has emerged as the most attractive market in Asia for renewable energy investments since 2017. The country accounts for a staggering $21.2 billion of transactions for generation assets. Majority of the renewables investments in India are led by large integrated power companies and industrial conglomerates. India showcases the maximum growth in penetration of private equity, venture capital. Macquarie Group, BlackRock, Actis, Global Infrastructure Partners and KKR & Company are some of the firms that have made major moves in the country.